Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have my Scrambler 400X in for a quick little checkup. Actually the front disc was replaced, so I arrived at the place and I said to the guys, listen, is there any chance I can quickly take a Trident out just to try it out, just to get a feel for it. And this is a 2024 model. I'll put all the specs up here so you guys can see, but the Triumph website has got everything you need and all the specs of this Trident, so for you to go and check out. But I'm just going to quickly hop on the bike. I don't have a lot of time. I'm going to probably ride for about 20-30 minutes and just to give you guys some feedback on it. But man, what a nice little bike. So this is the 2024 model, but it's just a really nice little compact bike. This is a brand new one. I actually thought they're going to give me a older model, but go and check the guys out from Bulldog Triumph. But this is the new light. This is the new indicators, super slim LEDs. There's the flasher. It's got the normal, what do you call it? Switch gear, yeah. The indicator is not, it's almost like a joystick, so it's a little bit loose, something to get used to because my other one is totally different on my Scrambler. And then the horn and the mode button. But this is the new little screen and it is super clear. I'll get my face out of it. Even in this dull light, it's really nice and clear. And then on this side you've got the start, stop, and also the hazard. So let's put on the hazard. You can see how it looks like. These little LED lights, pretty nice. It's even got the pulsing ones. So on the front, you can check that. That's pretty nice, to be honest. But what a little compact bike. It's got the Nissa front brakes ×2, shower suspension, a little Trident logo, and they also do really nice colors on this bike. It's a little radiator, definitely need here in the UK a little bit of an extender here in the front to keep all the muck and stuff off it. But you can see the exhaust is still brand new, so everything is a little bit still some, just tight. These little things on my boots, this is quite smooth, so it slips down. It would have been nice if this was a little bit more grippy, but again, you could probably get that replaced. Beautiful swing arm, really nice 180 tire at the rear, Michelin. Really nice Michelins at the rear, 180s. What do we have here on the front? So 120 on the front. A freaking nice little bike, man. It's the rear, the little tail light. And it's got a little Triumph logo there on the tail light too. These things, the rear passenger foot pegs, easy to take off. Yeah, really nice little bike. Okay, I'm going to lock up the camera, switch it on, and let's go for a quick ride. Okay guys, there's a little Triumph Trident. I don't know why I call it little. It's actually a pretty full-size bike, and I've been reading about this on the internet that a lot of people call this a first starter bike. And yes, it might be a perfect starter bike, but this bike has got loads of go in it. And it's sometimes it's not a starter bike for a lot of people. Sometimes people want to sort of, what do you call it? There we go. It's the standard Triumph. You have to pull in the clutch. Not like my Scrambler for some reason. Scrambler is not like that. There you can see the screen, really nice. The sound of the bike is really nice. But get out of here. Yeah, so a lot of people class this as a starter bike, and for me it's like this is pretty much a full-size bike, and it's got way more power than my Scrambler 400. So it's not so much a starter bike. It's for me actually a really nice smallish compact bike compared to other bikes that might be too big but it's got loads of go. I hope the audio is okay. So a few little things that I want to comment on straight off the bat is it's got the auto no it's not. The indicator for me, because I'm used to my Scrambler 400X, is a little bit high, but again, this is what you can adjust. The engine is so free revving and free flowy that I'm used to the Scrambler. When I close the throttle, then it sort of uses the engine braking because it is a single, and this one is the 3-cylinder, and it's super smooth, man. It just frees really nice. So yeah, it's just a really nice, solid feeling bike. I must say, leaning it in. Oh, there's some gravel, roadworks, road stuff. But so yeah, that's sort of the first thing. So the indicator switch is a little bit loose. It's almost like a joystick, as I mentioned earlier. And can we go? Can we make it over this? The second thing that I want to mention, and this is also because you sit forward, my legs is pushing, or my feet is like upright like that, pushing against the pedals. The pedals is quite slippery. So when you want to gear down, then it might slide forward. But man, what a nice little bike. This little bike with a screen on the front and some hand guards and heated grips will be a really nice little bike to get around, because I had the Tiger 660 Sport, and that was such a nice little bike with a full fairing and whatever, and this is the same engine, but mine is now, the one that I had was a few years older, so it is a refinement has occurred. But you see, now I'm already used to the slippery pedals, and I shift my foot down and I can then go and lean. I don't want to lean too much because the tires is still new. I want to make sure no one drives into me. Indicator, and yeah, very nice. The bike feels really solid. Now the thing is, this is a brand new bike, so I'm expecting it to feel solid, but it's typical Triumph build quality, man. Really, really sweet. And it's really, the engine is so nice and revvy and smooth. And for this price of this bike, this is the matte black version. There is the orange one, and there's also like a black with red accents. Just that's my colors, black, red, and a little bit of grey thrown into it. Really, really nice. See, now I'm already used to the gear shifting down. The brakes is good, nice and solid. One finger braking. I've never had a bike that I need to have more fingers on braking, to be honest. Whoa, check at this. That's a nice color. Lotus. Why is all these people turning off here? It is also very, very keen to get going. I'm gonna make sure. Narrow track. Make sure there's no cars. Now this bike again with a nice exhaust on will sort of sound really nice on the high end rev range. The seat is very slippery, but it's quite comfortable. It's nicely padded. That's all I can say. Oh, this road has got so much like gravel and stuff on. Okay. But yeah, the pegs are slippery. Very nice, very nice. Such an easy bike to get riding on. Oh man, the instrument cluster, or the cluster on both sides to control the bike, or to do all the modes and whatever. It's easy to get to. Now I'm sitting in 6th gear and I'm doing slow 30-mile-an-hour zone. Really nice and easy to control the throttle as well. The 400X is a little bit up and down just because it is a single, but this bike is really, really nice. You know, it might sound a bit weird that I always say a bike is nice, but I prefer to test drive bikes that I've done a bit of research about, to make sure that when I ride it, because I don't get a lot of time to ride random bikes and whatever and give feedback on, but when I do decide to ride a bike, I make sure that I've done most of my research, and I sort of know what I'm getting into, so I know what to look out for. So if the bike is not nice, then I'm not really going to test drive it, because I sort of test drive bikes, and I test drive stuff like unicycles and whatever, or e-bikes and whatever, because I'm actually interested in buying that bike. I don't just randomly test drive stuff. That would be nice, but I don't really have the time for randomly test riding everything. So when I do test drive the stuff, I need to make sure that this is something that I would buy as well. And if this was me, I would definitely look into something like this. If you're in the market for a like a naked style bike, really cool, man, really cool. It sounds beautiful, super smooth. And this thing will probably be much smoother the more you ride it after the 600-mile service. Probably usually around 2,000 miles the bikes really start settling in. But yeah, really, really nice. The tank is as slippery as the seat. But yeah, this is a cable clutch, so it's not a super light clutch. It is a clutch that you need to be you need to know how to feather it. But yeah, really nice, guys. If there's any questions about the bike, I see the clutch lever is non-adjustable, where the other lever, the brake lever, is adjustable. So that's very interesting. Nice observation there. The mirrors, easy to see behind you. Now I haven't done high-speed riding because it's I only have the bike for a short while, but easy, clear to see behind me. But yeah, definitely a little screen on the front, and then you can really pack this bike up and go for a nice little cruise. Yeah, I like the brakes. The brakes is definitely way better than my 400X brakes in the power of stopping. And this little engine, you know, it's a 660 engine. You know, it's got such a lot of it's been used for so long, and it's such a nice engine, and it's so smooth, and I think the service intervals on this bike is also humongous, but yeah, really nice. You can really have fun on this bike. You know, if you want to be touring, then it's probably not the best bike, because you want a bigger screen and whatever. But if you want something to get around on, but also do a bit of blasting, you get loads of accessories for these bikes as well, so you can't go wrong. And then the price is really fun as well. Just watch out for people driving into you. But yeah, check out the guys from Bulldog Triumph. They've got a demo here. They've also got a few second-hand bikes that has come back, but they didn't stay around for long. But yeah, come and visit the guys here at Bulldog. There we go, Bulldog Triumph. They've got all the bikes that you can enjoy yourself on. Come and test drive them and see what you like. I must say, another observation is when you go down first and you put your foot down to go further down, it's sort of like a rubbery feel. So it's like it's like a rubber bouncy feel, but really nice bike, guys, really nice bike. So yeah, check out the guys, Bulldog Triumph, if you want to go and try a Triumph Trident. Yeah, super nice. The pickup is really nice, and usually these little stock exhausts are also absolutely epic. But yeah, this is what I was saying about the seat. It's not like the adventure style bike seat. It's a pretty smooth seat, but it's nice and flat and narrow, so you can get your feet down. I am 5'11" or 178 centimeters, and fits me easy. Flat foot on both sides. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If there's questions about the bike, some additional information, let me know in the comments. I might take it out for a little bit of a longer ride when I've got more time. But yeah, it comes with a quick shifter as well. I didn't even try that. But yeah, pretty nice bike. No, if I was looking for a naked style bike, then and you don't want to spend a fortune, but you still want to have fun, geez man, for the UK roads, this thing is good enough. Well, depends on how fast you want to go. I don't like sitting on the motorways, so for me, something like this to do the back roads, have enough suspension that you can be comfortable, is always a massive win. And then with this package deal, and also the price, and also the accessories, so you can customize the bike to your liking, man, can't go wrong. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this little video. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Please subscribe if you want to subscribe, and hopefully I will have some more motorcycle videos to come. I'll speak to you later. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Bye.